Welcome to Survival 101 Parenting Edition. Let's begin with a fun game. Imagine you have finally taken the time to go on vacation. Everything has been paid for and you have somebody to look after your blessings. You have a ticket to go on a cruise ship to your favorite destination and you are so excited. However, during the trip, a huge storm sinks the cruise ship you were traveling on and now you are the only survivor. You manage to grab onto something that floats and when you wake up, you discover that you are stranded on a deserted island. You can choose only 3 of the following objects to survive: a bag of fruit and vegetable seeds, a Swiss Army knife, a fishing net, sunblock, a 100-foot rope, a large strong bucket, 2 liters of kerosene, and a lighter. What would you choose? As parents, at times it can feel like we are treading water. It can feel as if we are struggling to grow in a parched, deserted area all by ourselves. It can become a very isolated experience. Maybe you are far away from your family and friends. Maybe your community does not understand your needs. Maybe there is a lack of community services, financial difficulties, family issues, or more than one person with disabilities or chronic illnesses at home. I want you to know that you are not alone. I want you to know that God walks side by side with you. I want you to know that out there are people, friends, and a village waiting to support you, to tell you that you got this, that there is hope, and that you will make it through. I want you to know that you are loved, you matter, you are important. Even as you are around-the-clock mom, you are still you and you need to take care of yourself. It is very important that we take care of ourselves. So, what can you do to help yourself? Parenting survival ideas. To take care of yourself, you can exercise, eat well, get enough rest, schedule regular checkups, learn to relax, learn to connect with the great outdoors, be with friends, laugh it up. Humor is great for the soul. Pray, dance, watch a movie, and learn to say no. Do a reality check. Vent your feelings in a helpful way. Celebrate successes along the way. Do one thing that you love every day. Give yourself permission to take up a space. Find a good book to read or an audiobook to listen. Find a hobby. Now, hobbies can help us as well in many different ways to take care of ourselves. They can help you relax, to be creative, to focus on something that we like, lower stress, better physical health. It can create or reinforce social connections. It can increase happiness. So, do you have a hobby? What is your hobby? Another way to help yourself is to have a handy-dandy parent survival bag. It can include things that will help us take care of our senses. A stress ball can help you with a sense of touch, as well as a slinky, colors or markers, and a coloring book or just blank paper. It can help you with your visual senses. Now, having a snack, it can help you with taste. Having a blanket also helps with the sense of touch. And having something that smells nice, like a candle, perhaps lavender, or oils, or markers that have a senses, can help you with the sense of smell. And these can help you to ground yourself. So if you're very stressed out, this is kind of like your first aid kit. This is the first aid kit. You can take 5 minutes off. You can put a timer. You can just let yourself relax. You can do a crossword puzzle, maybe cuddle up with a blanket and have a nap. Naps are a fantastic way to decompress when you are having a tough day. Tissues. Crying is really good for the soul and for your system, so you don't keep all those emotions inside. And what else would you add to your survival bag that can help you make it through? Remember, you are loved, you matter, you are important, you are still you. Even as a parent, you need to take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love to share all these tips with you. If there is anything else you would like to talk about, just leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks!